Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 6. So before to start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is you have given the value of P and Q. P has value 1, 2, 3 and 4 and Q has value A, B, C and D. So with the help of this value you can fill the blank with belongs to and not belongs to sign. So here the sign belongs to and next sign is not belongs to. Not belongs to sign contain a straight line like cut mark indicates not belongs to sign. So let's start our question. So blank number one is 2 dash P. So we can see the P set. Yes, 2 is present in the P. So 2 belongs to P. Number 2 part is 5 dash P. So we can also again see the P set and 5 is not seen in the P set. So 5 is not belongs to P. Then third part is A dash P. So A also not belongs to P because A is not seen in P set. And fourth part is D dash Q. So again we can see the Q set. So yes, D present in Q set. So D belongs to Q. Number fifth part is G dash Q. So G is not seen in Q set. So G is not belongs to Q. Number sixth part is 3 dash Q. So 3 is not belongs to Q because 3 is not present in Q set. Next question is list the element of following sets also named as ABC etc. So question number one is counting less than 10. So we can write simply in tabular form and name the set as A and start counting 1 to 9 because we have limit that less than 10. So less than 10 is 9. So we can write the set as 1 to 9. So next question is vowels in the word images. So simply we can write the vowels in the word images. So we have vowels 5 A, E, I, O, U and the characters of the word images I, M, A, G, E, S. So we can only write the vowels that comes in the word images. So images have three vowels I, A and E. Third part of this question, letter of the word mango. So simply we can write the letters MANGO in the set form. Number fourth part is colors of national flag. So our national flag has two colors, white and green. So simply we can write the national colors of the flag. Fifth part of the question, colors in the rainbow. So simply rainbow has seven colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So simply we can write the colors that present in rainbow. Next part is number less than 25 and divisible by 5. So simply you can start counting the table of 5 less than 25. So 5, 10, 15 and 20. Next part of this question, multiples of 3 less than 15. So in this question you can start counting the table of 3 less than 15. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. So this is the final solution of part 7. So students, this is all about today's lecture. Hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answers in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.